So continue with Azure Machine Learning. Azure Machine Learning is probably what you likely will experience in the most as a data scientist or data engineer. Um, what the Azure Machine Learning mean is you will run your own machine learning with tools from Microsoft, and that tools help you to prepare data, build and train AI and machine learning models, validate and deploy, and manage and monitor. So everything, of course, you can click here. This gives you more ideas on what this means. But I think for data engineers, the easiest way is actually go to this ml.azure.com where you can see the exact machine learning workspace. So you get to here. This is the ml.azure.com, and starting from workspace. Again, this is about workspace, right? It's not integrated into Azure interface yet, but pretty much share the same characteristics that you have workspace here, and you can modify. Let's click on here to um, and which provides you with all the familiar stuff. You have the automated ML, you have the design, you have notebook, right? If you click on the familiar notebook, this is Gymshark, you can create environments, you can have experiments, and once you finish the posting, you have a model catalog where you can see different models. Either you published or someone else created it for you. Um, for example, DALI, right? GPT, GPT. Then you can define your data asset. Where do you get data? Data stores. And from data, you will use the pipelines. You will create pipelines. And the pipelines eventually create models. You will publish models to make it available through endpoint. And the outside people, your users can access those endpoints to access your model. So, and each run of the pipeline is a job. So now let's go to pipelines and create a new pipeline. And there's a new interface where Microsoft is trying very hard to increase the experience. But so we already go through Fabric and the Synapse Analytics and the Databricks. You pretty much should have an idea what the pipeline looks like and what it is supposed to do. Apparently, we have a sample data, we have data transformation, right? All these familiar stuff. Add row column, add row. This column can use for feature engineering. Then apply mass operation SQL transformation. So as you see, these are the similar data transformations. And then there are things that you can do with computer vision. These are additions of Azure services that you can be utilizing here to process. So this is in addition to what the Fabric data engineering, the data pipeline can do, right? This is what when you create this. And the interesting thing is this machine learning studio is very similar to Fabric data science, which we will cover very soon.